We've talked about encapsulation and how its purpose was to hide the implementation of our classes and hide the internal instance variables and to only expose a set of methods as the public interface. For that to be really true, we don't want to give the users any reason at all to go inside the class and look at the implementation. So we need to provide some kind of a document or some kind of a documentation that they can just look at and carry on with their work. Here we have the car class that we've created before, and so we'll start documenting this. I'll go up on the top, I'll do a slash asterisk asterisk and hit enter, and IntelliJ here will generate this template for me. So here I can provide a description of this class. So for now I'm just gonna say this class represents a car object for this game. I can go to any method or any constructor and do the same thing. I'll do slash asterisk asterisk, and here this is for the default constructor for the car object. It will set the following default values, and I even can use a little bit of HTML here, so I can do an unnumbered list, and inside there I will have a list item, and I can say make is Ford, make another one, and so on. Let's move on to another method to try here. Let's see, maybe the convert mileage per hour to kilometers per hour. So I'll go up here and I'll do generate my JavaDoc template, and here IntelliJ also populates this flags here or tags here, the @params and the @return. So the parameters are to document any parameter that you're passing. So here I can say miles per hour. If you have any limitation on a maximum that this function accepts, you can say accept, and it will return a kilometers per hour. Let's give it a description. Converts mph to kilometer per hour. Alright, so it seems that the developer will still have to go inside the class to see this documentation, unless we go up to Tools, Generate JavaDoc, and all you need to do here is really select the location where you want to output this directory or output this JavaDoc. I'll hit OK, and here's my documentation. I have a class car, and because this is an object-oriented language, all the classes that we create basically inherit from the object class. You don't need to worry about that for now. You can reference that in the textbook if you're interested. I can go down, and here's my constructors. That's the description that we've provided. I see all the methods that we have in this class. If I have any description for any of them, it will show up here. If I click on any of them, it will take me to the documentation or to the detailed description of this class, this method. So here this converts mileage per hour to miles per hour to kilometers per hour. Here's the parameter. If I have any description or any restrictions that I need to let the developers know about, I can put that here. Alright, let's take another example, and let's go to my choice question class. Let's do the same thing maybe for the addChoice class, for the addChoice method, sorry. So we know that our function here, it not only adds the choices to the question, but it will set the correct answer property as well. All right, I'll save that. I'll go back and generate my JavaDoc again, same location. All right, and it's generated here. I can click on all classes here, and that will show me all the classes that I have in my project so far. So if I go to choice question, it will not only show me the documentation that I have here, but it will also tell me that it extends questions, so it inherits some properties and methods from the question class. It will show me what these fields are, and if there were any inherited methods, it will show them here as well. And if I scroll down to my addChoice, here's my description and here's my documentation. And that's basically what JavaDocs is.